Hello student, let us start our 7th lesson, Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. The name of our 7th lesson is Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. You know student, heard about the legendary heroes and the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own life for our safety. We are safety due to our soldiers. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decoration on them. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decoration on them. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. You know student, Paramveer Chakra is a Indian highest military decoration. Paramveer Chakra is a India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or the self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. The Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of enemy, whether on land, on sea or in the air. The Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. So far it has been awarded only 21 times. How many times? 21 times awarded Paramveer Chakra. 14 of these awarded were given posthumously. The medal itself is very. Here student, the picture of medal. You see the picture of medal? The medal itself is very simple in appearance. It is made up of branch and is fitted with the swell mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. It is fitted with a purple ribbon. On the obverse, it has Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by the four replicas of Indra Vajra. On the reverse, towards Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus flowers in between. The obverse and reverse of Paramveer Chakra. What is on the obverse? It has Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by four replicas of Indra Vajra. On the reverse side, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus flower in between. Two lotus flower in between is the picture of reverse and obverse of the Paramveer Chakra. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. Who designed Paramveer Chakra? The name of lady Savitribai Khanolkar. She was European lady. Savitribai Khanolkar was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar. Savitribai Khanolkar was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Vikram Khanolkar was an Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently. Savitribai Khanolkar is a European lady. Even though she spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and studied Indian arts and tradition in depth. Savitribai Khanolkar was a European lady. Even though she spoke Marathi language, Sanskrit language, Hindi language very fluently and had studied Indian arts and tradition in depth. Here student, our next part is Indra Vajra or Thunderbolt is supposed to be matchless weapon. Indra's Vajra or Thunderbolt is supposed to be matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invincible in supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadichi? According to legends, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. A demon had stolen all the water in the world. Innocent people were suffering. General people were suffering and dying without water. Innocent people were suffering and dying without lack of water. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. But extraordinary was required. Here now something extraordinary was required. It was learned that the sage Dadichi has bones of such extraordinary power. Here student, Dadichi has bones of such extraordinary power. But how could one ask for bones of living man? But how could one ask for the bones of living man? Says Dadichi was noble person. Says Dadichi was a noble person. He himself laid down his life. Says Dadichi was himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. Says Dadichi gave himself laid down for his life and gave his own bones to the help of people. Indra's weapon of thunderbolts was fashioned from these bones and demon was defeated. Just as Indra Vajra derived power from his Dadichi's bones, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramvir Chakra holders. In last para student, just as Indra Vajra derived power from says Dadichi's bones, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramvir Chakra holder.